Hi, I'm Kevin Ross and I'm going to be demonstrating Geomant's contact center solution for Microsoft Lync, Contact Expert. Contact Expert is a multimedia inbound and outbound contact center solution closely integrated with Microsoft Lync. I'll be demonstrating it from an agent's perspective today. So here you see me logged in to Lync as an agent. The only difference you'll see with the Lync client is that we've added some additional present states that are used automatically by the contact center in the background. So let's log into the contact center. I'm going to actually select to log in to both voice and web chat today. I'm now logged in and available to take calls or web chats. I'm going to start the demonstration today by dialing in using my mobile phone, and I'll put that phone on speaker.
Welcome to Geomant's Contact Center demo. Connecting you to our operator. This call may be recorded.
Now immediately on the agent screen you can see a screen pop. That screen pop is using the customer information, and I'll explain that in a bit more detail. Let me first of all tell you what the agent has on their screen. At the top of the screen you'll see the telephony functions, a soft phone. So from here you can drop the call, you can place the call on hold, you can make a transfer of that call. You can also pause and restart call recording. Call recording is a core function of Contact Expert. You'll then see an agent wallboard which gives information, statistics about what's going on in the contact center, how many calls have been taken, and importantly what the queue levels are currently like. And at the bottom of the screen you'll see a full contact history. Now I mentioned we're using the contact phone number that's dialed in to perform a lookup of that contact, and we're then able to show a full contact history, all of the times that this person has contacted the contact center via whatever means. That could be email, could be SMS, could be chat in the past. The body of the screen is used differently by all of our customers, and it will typically be used for a script, as you can see here, or to embed a CRM system such as Microsoft Dynamics. I can actually demonstrate both of those today. So here you see a script, and this will be customized to the contact center. But I can also click on this link and this will automatically open up Microsoft Dynamics with the contact details of this particular caller. So we can see all of the contact details and the previous contacts we've had with this caller. And I can use Dynamics in the normal way. Let's go back to the call. If I click this button, I'm actually able to start using the power of Lync within the contact center. From here I can actually see all of my Lync contacts. So typically a first line agent will want to seek assistance from other people within the organization. Using this embedded Lync client we can actually see who is available. I can have a chat with the second line person. I can then add that second line person to the call, or I can transfer the call to that person. If we bring this caller back from hold, at the end of the call either I or the caller will drop the call. That's when the agent classifies the call, and this classification will be used for reporting purposes, and it can be any list of codes that you choose. We can also schedule a callback of this particular caller at a later date or a later time in the day. I'm now ready to take my next call. What I'm actually going to do now is initiate a web chat. So I've got a web browser open on another computer here, and I'm going to make a web chat into this contact center, and you'll see that that web chat pops up into the agent screen in exactly the same way as a call would. From here the agent can actually communicate to the person on the other end of the website, and they can do that via typing free text, or they can type in pre-selected words and phrases, and the person on the end of the website can actually reply, and the agent can have a two-way conversation with that person. Let's drop the web chat. We classify that in the same way as we did for the call, and we close it. I'm now available to take my next call. We also support email as a channel and SMS. And as I mentioned earlier, we do support outbound as well as inbound. So instead of having inbound calls delivered to the agent, you can have outbound calls made automatically one after the other and delivered to the agent.